I'm going to start with 1500 grit, 2000 grit, 2500 grit, finally 3000 grit. That's it. As you can see, the white stuff is showing the oxidation coming off. Yeah, I'm gonna do this and just like this, keep it smooth and you'll get it clear. Okay, look at all this oxidation. See all of that yellow? Look at that. See it? I switched to, I think it's 1200 grit, so I can get all this yellow off. Look at it. Look at all the yellow, all this oxidation. I just want to see the yellowing. Usually what I would do is I would run the water hose over this, but I've never actually seen the yellowing because the water hose would get it off before it would sit. But look at this. This is ridiculous. Dang. Wow. That's disgusting. By the way, this is all I'm using. Just a piece of 1200 grit. I'm going to go from 1200 to 1500, 1500 to 2000, 2000 to 2500, and finally to 3000. And after that, then I'm going to polish it with, I'll show you. Wow, look at all of that yellow stuff. Is that you could do this until you don't see any more yellowing, until it's clear. So I still see yellowing, so I'm going to keep doing it until it's clear. This is how it looks. All cloudy. This is before the polishing. So when you see something like this, it's not like you messed up your headlights. You just need to polish it out. So right about now, I'm going to hit it with more 1200 grit and then move from 12 to 15. Once you stop seeing yellow and you start seeing clear, nothing but clear, then you're clean. Your headlights are clean. Clear of the oxidation. Then you can move on to the next step. See, there's no yellowing. All clear. Move on to the next. The whole point of moving from one grit to another grit is to make the scratches a lot finer. So this one is 1500, and the next one is going to be 2000, 2500, and finally 3000. Last step right here, 3000 grit. As you can see, you can't even see the scratches because I'm using this fine sandpaper. Now what you want to do is keep the sandpaper wet so it can stop, so it can roll smoothly over it. Yeah, so look at the ladybug right there. Can you see that? Okay, next you get some polish, plastic polish. I got this stuff right here. I got this pad right here. And they're about to be clear right about now. Put it on the pad. Yes. Well, you can see, I'm going to finish it out right about now. Okay. Finally, we follow up with some type of UV protected clear coat or something, and I'm putting the Jet Seal 109 on here. This is UV protectant, and I could do this. Okay, I did that.